Daming ano, haba ng pila. Yan, gutom na yung kasama kong maganda. Ano drinks mo, be? Cola. Kasama na yun?
Next please.
You have honey oat?
No, only those spread in front of you.
Can I avocado?
Later.
Later.
Oh, would you like that for your parmesan?
On the small one, the small one.
Which one would you like?
Can I have tuna?
Tuna as well, huh?
You like tuna?
No, he took a red already.
You want tuna also? Ang sarap ng mga salad. Ha? Tuna. Yes.
And then you want the nuggets.
Nuggets